Elevation tubing arrives pre-grooved. If the tube is cut and a groove is needed, a manual grooving kit can be purchased or rented. This contains a tool body, a crank handle, and depth gauges. When grooving tube, use pipe roller stands positioned approximately 9 feet apart to allow the tube to roll easily during the grooving process. If the stops on the tool are not already set at the correct depth, it's best to start setting them against an existing piece of grooved pipe. Connect the tool to the end of the pipe and tighten the brass wheel nut until it fits securely into the existing groove. Once the brass wheel nut is securely tightened, adjust the depth stops at the rear of the tool. Turning the depth stops is shown here more clearly on the reverse of the tool. The stops are rotated to gain the correct depth level. It's important that once the correct depth has been found, the two stops are tightened against each other. Once the depth stops have been tightened together, the brass wheel nut can be tightened until it fits securely against the tool body. When the correct depth has been set, the crank handle is attached to the tool body and turned in a clockwise direction. A 1 1/4 inch deep well socket is placed on the wheel nut, and the socket wrench is turned slowly to tighten the nut until the depth is achieved. When the depth has been reached, the nut will no longer tighten. Use the gauge to check the groove depth, and ensure the arrows line up within the appropriate tolerance marking. Using a power tool and a 1 5/16 inch standard socket in place of the crank handle allows the tube to turn faster, while the socket wrench continues to apply the depth. A two-man crew working together can apply the drill and maneuver the socket wrench at the same time. This helps achieve even faster grooving results. Please consult the Victolic Grooving Tool Guide for further information on using the tool. When grooving is complete, to remove the tool from the tube, the brass wheel nut is loosened and the tool can then be retracted. For more information, contact us on 704-947-6966 or visit our website at www.appliedsystemtech.com.